The surgical procedure of puncturing or selectioning of the veins for therapeutic purposes and thereby accomplishing the Rakta Mokshana is referred as Siravyadha. 50% of Shalyatantra covered by Siravyadha only. Today we are going to see the procedure of Siravyadha. Generally, the instruments used are Uttarika Shastra, Vrihimukha Shastra, Vetasapatra Shastra and Suchi Shastra. The procedure is divided into Purva Karma, Pradhana Karma and Paschat Karma. In Purva Karma, patient should be given with Snehana, Bhashpasveda and Yavagu has to be internally took. All the instruments to be kept properly. Investigations before going for the procedure are: coming to Pradhana Karma, the first step is prominent sira are taken and Vyadhana Karma with mentioned shastras are done. It is done till attaining Samyak Viddha Lakshana. Depth of the incision told classically as Mamseshu Yavamatra with Vrihimukha Shastra, Anyatha Ardha Yavamatram and over bony parts half Yava with Vrihimukha Shastra. The Rakta Mokshana Pramana is: when it is Uttama Matra, it is 1 Prastha, half Prastha means Madhyama Matra and 1 Kudava is Adhama. Samyak Viddha Lakshana is Laghavam Vedana Shanti Vyadhir Vega Parikshayaha Samyak Visravite Lingam Prasado Manasastatha. Once this is attained, physician controls further flow by applying pressure, bandaging or using medicinal paste. Rakta Skandanopaya to be done either by Sandhana, Skandana, Pachana and Dahana. And Paschat Karma. Patient should be taken rest for 15 to 20 minutes. To conclude, Siravyadhana described in Shalyatantra is equivalent to Basti Karma in Kaya Chikitsa. Thus, Siravyadha is considered as Ardha Chikitsa. Thank you.